In this video I'm gonna show you how to disable our menu sounds that Roku Express makes using the pilot for your Roku Express. So here we'll need to navigate with arrow keys around here. So now let's move to the left key, then go down to find settings, click on it. Now go down and find audio, click OK again. And here you have menu volume, click OK. And you are able to change to high volume, medium volume, low, or simply disable it. So right now there will be no sounds, clicking sounds, or anything that comes out of the system OS. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.